Okay, today we do last month's slime, and here it is.
What is it?
Green slime, snot.
Ugh.
And you're gonna put that in, hide it in. Then we are starting to play with it. Woo! Okay.
Why do you make a slime bath for all your toys?
Okay, let's make a slime bath. Let's put the water in.
Who are you putting in?
I found it.
That's an elephant.
Elephant. Who is this toy anyway?
Yours.
Never seen it. Let's play with the Play-Doh. Slime. Snot.
Snot. Is that your snot?
Mhm.
That's your snot?
No. Dad, you can watch how the timer does. Let's get this tassel.
Okay.
Oh, I know!
Do you want me to fix it?
Where is this? Okay. Let's get this. Play-Doh. Let's put.
It's like a wolf.
Right. Just gonna put it over. Let's put that over. We should send it out to my friends,
Yeah.
Then they will see our meme.
Yeah.
Okay. I need to make it to the plate. Wait, two, then we can make two Play-Doh.
It's not Play-Doh, it's your snot, you said.
It's not my snot. No, that's not what I'm going to do.
What are you doing now?
Okay, I'm making it to a hot dog.
A snot hot dog. Okay, it's got on my face. Let's put it on my face. Okay, pretend this is makeup. Okay, let's put my makeup on. Let's get some of my makeup. Some makeup. Okay, this makeup is so slimy. Is that the kind of makeup Mummy puts on?
No. Pretend this is makeup.
You got a snot beard.
Okay. No, that's not the end. When I tell you it's the end, it's the end. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Put that makeup back in. Piece came off. Okay. This is some poopy slime. Let's play my poopy slime makeup. Put my poopy makeup on. Okay. We'll put it on my. Not put on her. Let me get over here. Whoa.
Okay, don't. Okay, let's put my makeup poo on. My makeup on. And we get some of my makeup. Let's put my makeup on. Let's put my makeup eyelash on. Makeup eyelash on. Eyelash. Okay, let's get some of my sweat. Okay, let's put my makeup on. Look. There's something in there. What's thinking it? Not from there. No! Not the end. Everybody needs to say when it's the end. I just need to get one of my couches.
You can't see.
Put that book on the bar. You have to do a video of it. Back on. Okay, let's do it. Makeup. Describe. Bend.